Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Zacconi. This machine came in with a leaky gasket, so we did the basic group head gasket maintenance for this, which is something these manual machines do require. So we'll let some water go into the group head and pour a shot here. Might be a little tight. I had some fresh coffee in here, but it'll get going. Let's see, I might give one more pull on this one. There we go. Nice shot, nice crema. We're going to check the steam real quick. Nice strong steam. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.